Hi guys, for today let's oil test this COSRX Ultralight Invisible Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++ using two types of blotting paper. Hi guys, after 2 hours, this is the result guys.